Hey, thanks for coming around to my channel. I'm combining my love of woodwork and beekeeping, so you'll get videos on both and combining the two. I've come up with a whole bunch of jigs to make building beehives easy and consistent. A different jig for each portion, and I've got a different video for each jig. Some of the things we'll cover: how to do these D handles in the side of boxes. There's other methods out there using table saws, radial saws, even drill presses, and that's a pretty good one too. But I don't use that. I'm using my router table. What else? Box joints. Let me show you. How would you like to be able to make easy box joints like this? Finger joints that just slide together and you've got a beautiful square joint. Dead easy. And it doesn't take long. Here's a quick look at the jig that I made just for doing the D handles. It's so simple. Look at that. It's easy. In combination with this router bit, this 2-inch cove bit. Brilliant. Decorating your beehives. Look at that. Beautiful artwork there. In the front, you can make them any which way you want. How do I do that? I use my laser engraver. I'm doing another video on hot wax dipping. Your woodwork is preserved for, well, some people say 15 or even 20 years. And of course, you want to be able to assemble your boxes square and true, don't you? So use a jig for that too. A clamping arrangement while you put the screws or nails in. I'll show you through a couple of options for that. A steel one and a wooden one. I hope that sounds good to you. If so, hit like, subscribe, or just check out one of these videos now. See what you think.